Hi, so today in the series of divisibility rules, we are going to learn divisibility rules of 13. So the rule statement says, difference between the number formed by last three digits and the number formed by rest of the digits should be divisible by 13. Yes, does it remind you of any other divisibility rule? Yes, it is very much same as the divisibility rule of 7, right? So to check the validity of this rule, I'm going to take one number. Number I'm going to take is 6, 2, 2, 5, 7, right? So the number formed by last three digits is 257 and the number formed by rest of the digits is 62, right? And what we have to do next? Next we have to find the difference between them. So to find the difference, I'll subtract 62 from 257. So 257 minus 62. 7 minus 2 gives us 5. I have to borrow 1, so this becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9 and 1 as it is, right? So the difference I am getting is 195. So according to this rule, if this 195 is divisible by 13, this 62,257 will also be divisible by 13. So let me try and see if 195 is divisible by 13 or not. So if I divide 195 by 13, 13 ones are 13, 9 minus 3 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. Then I have to note this 5 down, and since we have a 5 over here, I think it will go 5 times. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, plus 1 6, 13 5s are 65, right? So we have got remainder 0. And since we have got remainder as 0, this proves that 195 is divisible by 13, right? And according to this rule, this 195, which is actually the difference between the number formed by last three digits and rest of the digits, is divisible by 13. This whole number should also be divisible by 13, right? So let's try and divide our original number. So for that, I am removing all this. And now if I try and divide this 13, 13 4s are 52, and if I subtract, I'll get 0 over here. 6 minus 5 is 1, and then I'll get 2, and this will get divided 7 times. 7 3s are 21, 2, 7 1s are 7, plus 2 is 9. So 13 7s are 91. If I subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 10 minus 9 is again 1. And now it's the turn of this 5, and then it will get divided 8 times. 8 3s are 24. 2 carried forward. 8 1s are 8, plus 2 is 104, right? And if I subtract, I'll get 11. And then if I note this 7 down, it becomes 117, and 13 9s are 117, right? And this gives us 0 as remainder. So this proves that 62,257 is divisible by 13. So this was the divisibility rule of 13.